Hello everybody, collect some green ginkgo leaves. We're going to make beautiful flower using it. Cut it and roll it around a stick and paste it using double-sided tape. Cover it one after another and roll it. You'll get a beautiful flower. We are also going to cover it using a tissue paper. So mark dots on it and make a bouquet like this and it's ready. Look at this colorful butterfly, let's make it. So collect two fresh ginkgo leaves and tie a knot together. Now make two partitions by tearing it. We can also make beautiful patterns on it using sketch pens and your butterfly is ready. Cut small pieces of craft paper. You can also cut it using scissors, give it shape and put it around the paper cup base like we are doing here. We are going to make beautiful rose flower. This is a very easy technique. Remove the flower and look, it is ready. Cut a green circle, fold it and paste similar shapes one after another. Now open it and look, your colorful flower is ready. We are going to roll a green craft paper, make a stick. Similar way we are going to cut the leaf from green craft paper. Cut two leaves and paste all of them together and it's ready. We're going to make this beautiful flower bouquet using fruit foam net. So take a small piece of foam net, tie it using thread, cut it and make a ball. So combine all these mini fruit foam balls together and make a flower. Paste its leaves and cover it using bouquet and it's ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.